Hi, I'm currently here at Kuching International Airport. Today I'm going to fly from Kuching to a city in Sarawak. I'm flying AirAsia, by the way. Ooh, so this is Kuching Airport. Starbucks, Old Town. Okay, I check my luggage, how heavy first. Self-check-in. I've just checked in for my flight and now I'm heading to drop my luggage. Everything is so fast. Everything is like self-check-in, self-print luggage bag and self-drop luggage. Sarawak also famous for black pepper. That's why you have the Lada Sarawak. There are two departures area. One is to fly within Sarawak and the other one is for international departure or departure to other states in Malaysia. Because from Sarawak to other states you need to have your passport checked. Before going in, let's check out what are the eateries they have. Of course, they're always the Starbucks. Just gone through security and now I'm going to the gate. This is Kuching Airport. There is a food court here. Oh, by the way, I'm flying to Sibu in Sarawak. It takes around half an hour flight because it's within Sarawak itself. Boarding now on AirAsia from Kuching to Sibu. Thank you. Boarding now. Just setting to my seat.
We are ready for departure.
Just landed in Sibu. Thank you. Bye. Bye. So this is Sibu. Quite warm. Just got my luggage and now I'm heading to the Sibu city center. Some this postcard. I'm gonna get a Grab. So just arrived at Sibu Airport. This is Sibu Airport, 30 baht. I just took a Grab and come to my hotel, Premier Hotel. And it took about almost 45 minutes. It was a long drive. Just checked in my room and they are breakfast included. Wow. Heading to my room now. Okay. Now, the view. Okay, so that's all for this video of me traveling from Kuching all the way here to Sibu and check into this hotel. See you again. Bye bye.